Introducing the 2022 CUPRA Born V1, a sleek and stylish electric hatchback with 4,000 miles on the clock. This grey beauty is loaded with comfort, convenience and safety features to enhance every drive. From air conditioning to satellite navigation, this car has it all. The luxury trim and ambient lighting create a sophisticated interior, while ABS and multiple airbags keep you safe on the road. With features like collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, our vehicle comes with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and is serviced to manufacturer specification. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details.